To set a routine as favorite for easier access in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap the desired routine you like to set as favorite, and then tap the gray favorite icon at the bottom of the screen. The icon will turn yellow as a sign that the selected routine has been set as favorite. Now go back to the routine screen. You can see that the routine you have set as favorite will be listed under favorite section to let you easily access them. Moreover, if you have a lot of routine on your list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.